Welcome to the first of 3 tutorials that explain how to import and export Excel spreadsheets using ZE. The actions that do this are called Excel import and Excel export. Common uses for them include converting an XML file into Excel format so that its contents can be easily understood by a human, creating a spreadsheet that the trading partner can complete and return to you, and extracting the information from a spreadsheet so that it can be mapped into your business systems. This tutorial focuses on the first one. We'll be converting an XML file into a comprehensible Excel spreadsheet. We're going to work through a situation where the objective is to produce an orders spreadsheet generated from an XML file containing purchase order data. That spreadsheet can then be presented to the supplier. To illustrate this, we're going to imagine that we have a supplier called Ace Vegetables who does not have access to an EDI system, but they're able to handle electronic orders in a spreadsheet form. Ace Vegetables are not expected to return any information electronically, such as ASNs or invoices. They simply need to receive spreadsheets containing the order information so that their own systems and procedures can take it from there. The starting point is an XML file that contains the order information. This may have been generated directly by your business systems, or more likely, you may have configured ZE to generate it by mapping the raw order data from those systems. In this example, the structure of the XML file is this. The root tag of the XML is orders, and it contains an order tag for each order being placed. A single order tag contains a line section, which lists the products being ordered. A single line tag contains an additional item code section, which lists the alternate product codes for the item being ordered. Please note that when this XML file is exported, only the tag values will appear in the spreadsheet. Attributes, such as the language attribute on the description tag, will be ignored. For the purposes of this description, we're going to say that the XML will appear in ZE as an outbound supplier orders transaction for a partner called inbound import. The Excel export action will be used to generate the spreadsheet as a new outbound transaction for a specific partner, Ace Vegetables in this case. The action that does this looks like this. The direction for the action is outbound, and it targets supplier orders files for partner inbound import that have a condition of original. To keep things simple for this description, we're going to say that there's no need for metadata criteria on this action. On the Action tab, the worksheet name in the spreadsheet will be set to Orders, and the title, which is going to appear in cell A1, is set to Orders from Big Supermarket. If the export runs successfully, the condition of the supplier orders transaction will be set to complete, because once this has been done, nothing else needs to happen to that original file. If an error occurs, the condition will be set to error, and the transaction history will record what the problem was. On the Output tab, we've specified that the spreadsheet will be added to the list of transactions as an outbound spreadsheet orders file for partner Ace Vegetables. The resulting spreadsheet will look like this. Note that cell A1 has a comment which contains control information. This isn't relevant in this particular scenario, but will become important if we ever needed Ace Vegetables to complete some information in the spreadsheet and return it to us for processing. That's the subject of another tutorial. The column headings on row 4 also contain comments, but again, these are not of interest just yet.